Hello dear students of ninth grade. Today I'll discuss about the preparatory assignment. This is about the chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is rocks. We will discuss here about the question answers from the back exercise. So let us start with the first question. पहला क्वेश्चन है state 2 points of distinction between rocks and minerals. आंसर है इसका rocks contain minerals. रॉक्स आर द एग्रीगेट ऑफ मिनरल्स एंड अदर रॉक्स मटीरियल. मिनरल्स क्या है? मिनरल्स डू नॉट कंटेन रॉक्स. मिनरल्स आर द कंपाउंड ऑफ प्योर एलिमेंट्स विद द डेफिनेट केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है नेम एनी 3 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द अर्थ क्रस्ट. दीज आर सिलिकॉन, एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, पोटाशियम, सोडियम एंड निकल. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज नेम 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स. कौन कौन सी हैं? 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स आर सेडिमेंट्री, इग्निशियस एंड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज गिव 1 डिफरेंस एक्सट्रूसिव इग्निस एंड इंट्रूसिव इग्निस रॉक्स. एक्सट्रूसिव इग्निस रॉक्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द कूलिंग ऑफ मोल्टन मैग्मा ऑन द अर्थ सर्फेस. ठीक है, एक्सट्रूसिव इग्निस रॉक किससे बनती होती है? जब मैग्मा जो है वो कूल डाउन होता है, ठीक है, अर्थ के सरफेस पे. दैट इज नोन एज द एक्सट्रूसिव इग्निस रॉक्स. इंट्रूसिव इग्निस रॉक्स आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन द मैग्मा सॉलिडिफाइज विद इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट फॉर्मिंग पोर्स टेक्सचर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम एनी 2 चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक्स. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling of magma and these are crystalline rocks and full of mineral compounds. ठीक है. Next is state 2 characteristics of basic igneous rocks. Basic igneous rocks have higher percentage of oxide of denser elements and dark in color, that is basalt, dolerite, etc. Seventh question is about name 2 important landforms made by igneous rocks. Conical mountains and extensive lava plateaus. What are sills? Give an example. The magma take place in between the layers of rocks and harden after cooling, which is called sill. So magma take place इन बिटवीन द लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक्स. ठीक है, रॉक्स के लेयर्स के बिटवीन जो जगह में मैग्मा आता है एंड हार्डर आफ्टर कूलिंग, ठंडा होने के बाद वो सख्त हो जाता है, विच इज़ कॉल्ड द सिल. ठीक है. विच रॉक्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद ओर्स ऑफ मेटल्स एंड विच रॉक्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. Igneous rocks are associated with ores of metals due to their origin by cooling magma, resulting in crystalline rock rich in mineral content. ठीक है. Sedimentary rocks are associated with fossil fuel due to the fossil trapped in between layers of these rocks. So these are the differences. The next है mention any 2 chief characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from material derived from other rocks including plants and animal remains. Sedimentary rocks किससे बनती है? इंक्लूडिंग प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल रिमेन्स, जो भी मरे हुए जानवरों की से भी ये भी उसके पार्ट में आते हैं. ठीक है. और प्लांट्स भी जो हैं वो सारे फॉर्म है जो वो इकट्ठा होकर सॉलिड फॉर्म ले लेते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक. दीज रॉक डज कंटेन फॉसिल. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स आर जनरली नॉट क्रिस्टलाइन. दे आर सॉफ्ट एंड लेयर्ड एज दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय डिपोजिशंस ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स. Name the rocks which are most widespread on the earth. Give 2 example of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks की क्या example है? Sandstone and limestone. Name the 3 stages of lithifications of sedimentary rock. Lithification is the process of turning loose rocks material into hard rocks through evaporation, compaction and cementation. Name the types of sedimentary rocks based on the agents of formation. There are 5 main types of rocks on the basis of agents of formation. Riverine rocks, these are formed by the sediment deposited by running water or river. Lacustrine rocks, these are formed by the depositions of silt etc. on the bed of lakes. Glacial rock, these are formed by the debris carried on and deposited by the glacier. alluvial rocks. These are formed by the depositions sand accumulations by the wind. Marine rock. These are formed by the depositions of sediments at the ocean floor. These types are calcareous and carbonaceous sedimentary rocks. अगला क्वेश्चन है which agents are responsible for depositions of sediments. There are three main agents of depositions, that is water, wind and ice, which mainly act as agents of change on the surface of earth for depositions of sediments. Next है what are known as metamorphic rocks. Give two example. Metamorphic rocks are formed by complete change of texture of rock through volcanism and diatrophism, that is limestone is converted to marble and shales is transformed to slate. What is a mechanical metamorphism? This is a mechanism transformation in which texture of rock is changed by the crushing and rubbing process associated with heat and compression created by the mechanical action. Mechanical metamorphism का क्या मतलब है? टेक्सचर ऑफ रॉक जो चेंज किया जाता है क्रशिंग और रबिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू, ठीक है. आफ्टर इट हैज़ चेंज इट्स एक्शन. Explain these terms associated with rocks. Extrusive igneous rock. These rocks are formed by consolidations of erupted magma on the surface of the earth. Next question है laccoliths and batholiths. Laccoliths is formed by the intrusion of magma in the eruption channel just below the earth. Batholiths are deep-seated dome-shaped formations of magma intrusion, generally forming the base of mountain range, that is Ranchi batholiths. Next है fossil fuel. These are the fuels accumulated between two impermeable layers of the sedimentary rock, that is peat, coal, petroleum, etc. Lithifications of rocks. It is the process of turning the loose material into hard rock, ठीक है, which help in the formations of sedimentary rocks found in different layers on one upon another. Metamorphism. It is the process of transformation of sedimentary and igneous rocks into metaformic rocks through extreme temperature and compressions of volcanism and diatrophism by physical and chemical changes. Distinguish between each of the following: plutonic and volcanic rock. Plutonic rocks. These are intrusive igneous rocks. These cool down very slowly due to the heat in the interior volcanic rocks. These are extrusive igneous rocks. These cool down abruptly due to less temperature on the surface region. Next is thermal and dynamic metamorphism. Thermal metamorphism. It takes place due to extreme temperature which transform the shape and texture of the rock. बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर हाई होने की वजह से विच ट्रांसफर द शेप जो चेंज कर देता है टेक्सचर ऑफ द रॉक. द हीट मे बी ड्यू टू द हॉट मैग्मा और फ्रिक्शंस ऑफ रॉक. ये हीट क्यों होती है, किस वजह से? क्योंकि मैग्मा बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट होता है एंड फ्रिक्शंस ऑफ रॉक की वजह से. डायनेमिक मेटाफॉर्मिज्म. इट टेक प्लेस ड्यू टू द एक्सेसिव कंप्रेशन क्रिएटेड बाय tectonic forces within the earth. It takes place through physical or chemical changes by deep pressure. It takes places through physical and chemical changes की वजह से जो deep pressure में होती हैं. Sills and dikes. The collection of magma between layers of rock is called sills. The filling of magma in the cracks or fissures of rock are called dikes. Calcareous and carbonaceous rocks. Calcareous rocks, the sedimentary rocks formed by the depositions of shells, skeletons of sea organisms as coral, clams and oysters, etc. are called calcareous rocks due to the excess of carbon. Acid igneous rocks and basic igneous rocks. igneous rocks, these are lighter rocks with silica content 65 to 80% with the density less than 2 gram centimeter. For example, granite. Basic igneous rock, these are denser rock with silica content 40 to 60% with average density between 2.8 gram and 3 gram, that is basalt. So student, this chapter is about the rock, and you come to know about the 3 different types of rocks one by one. I hope you understand this chapter thoroughly, and all the best for your exam.